walking out from the bird hide now, entering the healthiest area of river red gum forest at the edge of the lake, the area most often exposed to water but dry often enough for these trees to survive. Look how thick and rich those crowns are. What a contrast to further ahead where you can see that forest much more open. As we do so, we move from an environment which is essentially a wetland environment into a forest environment, and this area here has got elements of both. It's got the giant rush and the river red gum. In the next 20 meters we pass out of that crossover environment. Again, these intersecting habitats are gold when it comes to species diversity, because both the woodland and the wetland species can come in and feed in different areas as the water rises and falls throughout the year and between wet and dry years. So we have our seasonal cycles and our El Nino cycles, our cycles of dry and wet. And there's one environment I haven't mentioned, that is up on the sandhill itself. The sandhill that was built when this lake in the past used to periodically dry out and the sand would be blown up into a massive sand dune. Up there we have a plains environment, open woodland and plains. So there's actually three intersecting ecosystems here: wetland, woodland and plains. It's one of those places which is really quite special and, luckily for us, easily accessible and protected.